So this is a 1 teaspoon.
Vacation Bible School, cooking with Uncle Gabriel.
5.0 ml. Right? And then you go down to a half teaspoon. And no, half teaspoon is this one. Half teaspoon. And then you have a quarter teaspoon. Right? So these are the measuring spoons. Right? Today we are using some piping tubes. These are the piping tubes. Right? Piping tubes. And this is what they call a piping bag. Right? It have the plastic ones there. These are the plastic ones. Right? Watch it. Plastic piping bags. Yes, and cut the cut it up. Right? And let's add some more here.
And I just take a detour a bit for the. Let me see. Wow. Woo. Oh, gosh.
It looks real nice.
Wow. Son, look at how white come to this. Look.
They look nice. If they do wear it Sunday, they really look nice.
Woo. Is that on?
Yes.
Oh, is that yours coming up?
Yes, so hold on.
Wow, Zan, look his smile. Wow, wow, this is Sharon. You see how you do it?
So this
yes, he did as well. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, take a bit here. Stand by it. Take it, yes.
Come, stand by it, baby. No, stand by it.
Stand by it and let Auntie take a picture. Here. This is Zan tie-dye. Wow, wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a real nice boy.
They are gorgeous.
Yes. But no, I didn't realize. Yeah, boy. Oh, cool. You think it easy? Eh. Look, son, take a picture of any. Look. Son, yes. Ooh, you are good. Isn't it? You think it easy? This is it. They're trying to doing wonderful work. Wonderful. These are the scraps, right? That they are just putting together. These are some. All right. I really thank God for this Vacation Bible School. The volume of work that is being done. It's such a joy. It's such a joy. Look, all these are jerseys to be opened and rinse out and hang up. Wow, it's wonderful.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, this is good. Right. This is wonderful. I'm going back by the cooking side. And this is the body scrub. I'm going back.
Add the butter, which is the hard butter first.